Welcome back. Today's video, we got the new ignition coil. I just took it from the shop, and now we're gonna install it in our car here in the Civic. So I really hope and wish that this is the real cause why it suddenly stopped the engine, because the coil is really bad, as you can see here. And now we got a new coil now here, and yep, hopefully we're all good. So I'm just gonna put this new part in. Sorry. So here's the part that's been the new parts. Like, I mean, this is the new coil, so it's a good coil. Look, nice and flat. Yeah, so yep, hopefully this works and it will start to ride again, this car. Okay, so stay tuned, guys. We're gonna put it now. So sorry, I don't have a tripod, so what I'm gonna do is remove the distributor cover. There's a 3 screws here, 1, 2, and 1 over there. You can see it. Yeah, 1 there, so 3, easy. So we're just gonna take this off, and yeah, hopefully it will works, guys. Okay guys, so I just installed the new ignition coil. There you go. I just put in. So I did some cleaning with the rotor as well. As you can see, it's kind of rusty. Same with this one, the rotor thing. So I'm just gonna return this back here, and then put the cover on, and then we'll crack it. Yeah, so hopefully, and I really wish that it was gonna work now. Okay guys, sorry, I don't have a tripod, so I cannot put my phone to stand to give you a video on it. So basically, there's only 2 screws here to install the new ignition coil, 2 screw, and then another 2 screw for the positive and negative contacts here. Yeah, then also there's a cover here. This one goes here. Yeah, and then this one. Sorry. And this one. But wait. No, so I need to crank this a little bit, because the screw is underneath, so I won't be able to screw it. So I need to crank it and put on the other way. Okay guys, finally everything is all back. I just had a little issue with putting back the screws, these 3 screws. So you need to really align this cap. So when I was putting it back, somehow it's been twisted, so I need to push this corner here towards there, because the same thing on the other screw here, it doesn't go the screw to the assembly. So that's why I keep turning, but it doesn't go, because it wasn't aligned. The screw wasn't aligned. Now it's all good. So back, so it's the moment of truth. We're gonna start the engine now, and then let's see. Okay, hopefully it's gonna run now. Yeah, turn over. Yes, finally, thank God. Thank God it works now, it runs now. So, conclusion is the ignition coil, which is this one that I just replaced it. So this is the one, is the problem. That's why it's not running. Now she's alive. It's running now again. Thank God. Thank God. Thank God. Thank the Lord. God. Yeah, it's back. Thank you. So I hope you enjoy this video and you learn it. So next time it happens to you, you know how to diagnose the problem, where's the problem is coming from, and then yep. I hope this video helps. If you like this video, please thumbs up, give a thumbs up, or leave a comment, guys. And see you in the next video. Peace out.